Oh, fine girl. See, you're very looking good, eh? See, I saw you from that way, you hear me? And the Spirit of the Lord whispered to me, I should come and meet you and toast you. And behold, I'm here to toast you. Now I'm toasting you. See, I just like it, I just want us to be boys and girls. I want to be your boyfriend. You don't know. See, let me tell you the truth, See, I'm a big man. We just wait. Let me just make a business call now. You will see. Hello? Yes. See, send me 2 million naira into my savings account. Send me 5 million naira into my current account. Send me $5,000 into my domiciliary account. Yes. Then when the goods arrive the seaport, just let me know. When the orders arrive the airport, just let me know, yeah? The containers need to open them and check them well. You hear me? No way, I'll call you later in the evening. You. See, I just finished making a business call now.
Please, this is my phone you're using to make call. Look at your phone. Stop living a fake life.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Hey! Just wait, let me just make a business call now. You will see.
Yeah. I have a bad news. A very bad news.
Hey.
I saw your girlfriend playing with another man outside there.
Are you sure about what you're saying?
Uncle, do I look like a liar?
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Where are they?
They are there.
That side. Let's be going.
I saw them playing a bad play.
They're playing a bad play.
Very
Don't worry,
bad
I'll do something about it.